Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we can log into Perplexity AI. In today's small tutorial, we want to go through how to actually complete troubleshooting, or basically how to actually fix. You can sign in Perplexity AI fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So according to Perplexity's Help Center, start with these basics. Check your internet connection. Stable and reliable connection is totally basically required. Disable VPN since VPNs interfere with Cloudflare settings. Hard refresh the browser, Ctrl plus F5 on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. Update the browser and OS, ensure latest versions are totally there. Then for the email login issues, if you are using email sign in, check the spam folder, make sure everything is there. Also use the most recent locate link. All links expire, then upload link on the same device are using Perplexity on. Disable any email scanners temporarily. Consider also using the Google or Apple sign-in, it's more reliable than email, and it will also log you already back in automatically. Also on desktop, ensure you are signed into the same Gmail account in your browser. On mobile, try to go through, for example, Play Store here, look for Perplexity AI, ask anything here, then look for the update. If you can see an update available, just go ahead and update the app. Since an outdated app version would do you a lot of errors and problems, you can also reinstall if needed. Then for Apple, it's the same thing, just go to App Store, look for an update, and that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.